Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the system language on your Philips PFS6939 TV. From the home screen of your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. And here in settings, scroll down to the tab with region and language, which looks like the globe which has an icon of a globe with a clock on it, and select it. Then select the first option in here, which is language, then the first option in here, which is the menu language, and here you'll be able to select the language that you like, for example German, and then just wait. Give your TV some time to reset the language. And now once again, to change the language back, just navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then navigate to this option, select the first option here, the first option here, and then select the language. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.